Ito po yung aking ginawa na code. Bali po yung napili ko is template programming. Then, ang aking scenario is ito. Sabi dito is actually in a few barangays across the Philippines, community-based sepak takraw tournaments are held as a part of local sports event, culture, celebration. Bali yung mga po dito is yung mga sepak taro tournaments. Doon ako base. Then eto yung nakuha ko pong code. Yung ginawa kong code. Ayan. Hashtag include stream that's include visitor and include string and include syntax std spec and include to set. Ito po siya. Then ayan, username space std. Then function to get team names with input validation. Ganyan po siya.